that was pretty awesome. The stallion broke out and his favourite mare was up there, so he went charging up. He thought he was going to get lucky this morning. So the reason I'm not on a horse is because Emma, who lives here in Belize, wants to check out some new jungle roads. So a small group of us who are not horse riding are going to ride with a little bit of pace and go and explore some of the jungle that has not been ridden before, which is very exciting. We'll be back in time for breakfast, they'll be off the horses, and then we'll crack on with the day. Okay, one. Yes, okay. Woo. Okay, so maybe hold him upright while we get past that. Will you go forwards now?
Number.
Good job. You're on the rock. Your kickstand is on the rock. Oh shit. So if you... Yeah. Okay. Yes! No. Nice outfit.
Just washed, by the way, if somebody wonders.
Oh gosh, they were clean on this morning.
Just washed.
Okay. Right, muddy bikes. Oh yeah, totally dry. Oh, jungle man. Okay. Thank you. Wow. Ah! Look what we got!
Wow! That is awesome.
Was that a help?
Nice.
Got a little guy. Should we put you back exactly where we found you? Although I nearly ran you over, so I'm going to put you a little bit further ahead of where I found you. Okay, you ready? Oh, you just want to hide now. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
It is not even breakfast time and we've already got stuck in mud, fallen in puddles, slipped around, explored the jungle, following like this rural track that we kind of got told about by a local that was probably passable on bikes. Some of the bogs were, or puddles were definitely trying to challenge the fact that it would be passable on a bikes. And anyway, it's been really fun. The lift runs have been amazing. I should probably say a couple of things about those. But we are hungry and we've got to get back to the group. We're going to do a little bit of a training session and then we're heading out on the road today. Oh, and look at this. Do the photo squat again. That was good. The little photo squat you just did, it was cute. Cool, here riding the Lifan 250. Now this is a really entry level kind of off-road enduro, dual sport, dirt bike, fits all the kind of categories. But they're actually amazingly capable. And I'm not going to say you can suddenly go into some mega race on a bike like this, but if you want to get into off-road, have a really good time on a bike that's actually going to look after you and not try and put you in the hedge, this is a wicked option. Key things why I think this is a good bike to potentially have a play on, start on, or do some adventuring like this is it does want you to have a good time and not buck you off, which when you're out in the jungle, it's good for safety. Another thing is this thing here is incredibly low. You've got super good range to the ground. I think 31 inches. Don't test me on that, but I think it's 31-inch seat height, so very accessible for shorter riders. And the ground clearance, don't know what it is in numbers because I'm in the middle of the jungle and I don't have internet to look it up, but we haven't had any issues with the lumps of rock in the road, puddles, things like that. I think my only downside of this bike is the slippery foot pegs. I do have the rubbers in there, so you know I could help myself a little bit by taking them out, but I don't really want to carry little rubbers. Otherwise, it's super comfy, it's a nice riding position, it's got an electric start, so no kickstart, it's got good luggage racks, and it's kind of designed to go and have some fun and adventure, which is exactly what we've been doing. So it's a massive thumbs up for me. Wouldn't have one in my garage at home, for obvious reasons if you see my other videos, but I would do another adventure on one. Bound. Yep. Tarzan, you go in front. Log jump! Whoop!
Awesome.
That was so insane. Yeah. Woohoo! Breakfast time. Got some roadside maintenance going on.
More? Okay, I think it's on. It's on. You can put it down there.
Yeah. We have, it's not an adventure without something going on with the bikes, and it's not a downside of bikes quality or anything like that. It's the nature of getting out, doing this kind of mileage and off-road terrain.
This is what
the
we're
bikes,
here for, right?
Yeah, that's what we're here for. The bike's handling all really well. But we've had a couple of chain jumpies, but we've got bush mechanic. Beep beep. On the road. So we are going on like a boat, a ferry, a raft. I don't really know what you call it, a thing that will get us from this side of the river to the other side. On a bike, and there's water behind me. Little fish. That's how you cross the river. Cool. This is lunch.
We're there.
Oh. Food stop. We just had lunch, which was good. I don't really have much chat right now. Anything to add? We're on our way to Hopkins and it's very warm, but we've just had an air-conditioned lunch, which was pretty epic. And we're gonna hit the road again. I think that's about it. So we have been blasting out some road. Woo. Off ahead, we have been blasting out some road to get the miles back in. To get over to the other side of Belize again. But we stopped for ice cream. Yeah!
Sorry?
I got
Oh, you did because I thought
plain
if I go on that
natural
side,
yogurt
scary.
and it is
Oh, sorry.
divine.
Why?
So I don't eat sugar out of choice. I started post-surgery when I realised I was pretty bedbound and how can I
Yeah,
stay
definitely.
slim
Yeah.
without exercise or anything, and I thought, I know, that's just my diet. And then I realised that I feel really good without sugar and all the sugar rushes, so I don't have it now, which means I can't have ice cream on a really hot day. This is
It's an American joke.
amazing. Mm. This is what happens when you let a group of girls explore with motorbikes. Just saying. And yes, my feet are very wet. Honestly, a group of girls let loose. Just saying.
That was some real girl power. I was watching you ride. I was so happy. Yeah.
Day 6 riding, so day 7 of the trip. I'm losing count of numbers, and really awesome day again. We've basically motored back over to Hopkins, so quite a lot of beautiful twisty road. I cannot believe the tarmac quality in Belize. I don't think I've seen a pothole, like seriously. I've had a little bit of dramas, a lot of giggles, a whole load of fun, and tomorrow is a rest day, so I'm going to be getting out on a dive boat. Very excited by that. I haven't really got much mental capacity to say anything else, so I'm gonna get my kit off the bike, get into my room and find a beer and a shower. Had an early start this morning because we are off to Hamanasi Resort, which is a really nice resort here in like the Hopkins area of Belize. and Suzanne and I, because we're the two that have our PADI dive qualifications, are going to go out for a dive on the Barrier Reef. Now, the diving here in Belize is meant to be second to the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. So I'm rather excited by that. Hopefully this rain is going to pass, although once you're underwater diving, it doesn't really matter what's going on up top because you are in blissful, floaty, bubbly, sea life heaven. So Hamanasi Resort, here we come. Here we are. Life's all about having fun. I'm helping. Yeah. I'm not doing anything, but I'm pretending. I can push. Here we go. Does that help? We've got a dive boat, we've got all our equipment, we've done a briefing. It's looking a little bit choppy out there, but it is never choppy under the water. We've just done our first tank dive. We're doing a 2-tank dive today, so we've got a bit of time on an island here. We're gonna chill out, hydrate, have some cookies and stuff. It was a really cool dive as far as animals. We saw a shark, he was just hanging out with us quite a bit. That was cool. Big turtle, really quite big turtle. Triggerfish, Engle jewelfish, grouper, snapper, porcupine fish, which are my favourite because they're so cute. They got really chubby little faces. Lobster, moray eel, rays. It was, yeah, that was a good dive. I'm gonna enjoy a bit of sunshine. This is cool. Little bit of heaven. Cold, fresh watermelon, and this. I am chilling out. I've actually stopped, which doesn't happen very often. So post-dive, day off for riding, and we are sat in the resort where we went diving by the pool.